Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new app that is called a Cloud Hub that you can integrate the message center from the admin center within the Microsoft Teams. So I'll first show you how it is and then I'll show you how to install it. So once we install it, we'll see here the message center. There's additional tabs of incident center. You see here some statuses, Azure status, Azure history, and some about. Let's go back to the message center because the message center is actually where we can see all of the latest updates and new features that are coming. You can choose the service that you want. So let's, for instance, choose, let's say, Microsoft Forms. We can also, we should be able to choose multiple, but I see currently we can choose each time one. So let's look at SharePoint, and this is the features that we have. We see what is the tag, the severity, and if we click on it, we'll see all of the information with some examples. So this is cool, actually. Comments on the... So this is how it looks. We can also search by the tag. We can search by the year. We can look by a keyword, navigation. Let's look for navigation. Doesn't find anything. Let's just search on everything. We see here one thing on navigation. Let's look for lists. We have lots of things on list, and we can also remove the filter and also download the list of things. So we click this and it will download the message center list. That's very good if we want to do something with it. So let's open it in the Excel, see how it looks. Okay, so we see here actually even with the description. So it's very nice. Okay, so let's see actually how do we set it up. Currently I'm on the web team, but on desktop it should work as well. So I'm going to a different environment and I'm in Microsoft Teams. I'll click on the three dots and now I will look for an app which is called Cloud. Okay, if we don't find it, we can click here on, let's say, Cloud Hub. If we don't find it, we can go to actually to the more apps, which takes us to the store. So let's look again, Cloud Hub. We found it. We see it's not a product of Microsoft, but there's an explanation here what it does and everything. Let's do add. Okay, now it added it, and now we can right click and actually pin it. It's for some reason it says there's some problem. We need additional permissions, so it will ask actually if we allow permissions on the organization. So you should check if your organization approves it. I'm on a sandbox, so it allows it. And actually, you see, I can see a demo. It says if you're not a global administrator, then you need to get approval. So what we will do is actually get started, and I will put the user. And again, it's asking permissions, permission request to review. So we'll press accept. And it says thank you and enjoy. So actually what will happen now is, let's just refresh this. It might take time until all of the data will be collected because it's doing some sync. But at the end, it will show as I showed you in the beginning. So let's just wait a second. So you see, we have registered successful. They said it might take 5 minutes. We recommend to refresh the button. So each time we need to click this until the data will be ready. So let's go back and see actually what is the solution that we have seen. So again, we looked at SharePoint. Let's look at Planner. I will remove this filter. And we see here rich text images in Planner tasks. And so we can see also here things that are marked for archive. There's a button here for favorites. So test it out. By the way, we can also filter by the tag. So if we want something which is a new feature, it will show us only the new features. So this is a great tool for administrator. By the way, the other way to do it not through Teams is actually to go to the homepage of Microsoft, go to the 9 dots, choose the administration, and either we go and show all, and we have under health, we should have the message center, or we can also go actually, if we go to the admin again, and we'll also see it under SharePoint. So if I go here to SharePoint on the first screen, we will see the information of the message center. Let's scroll down. Here we see the message center. If we want to see it all, we can do show all. So the team is a very convenient way for the administrator to see all of the information. You see, it's actually the interface is much better in the Teams because here it's less convenient.